In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to manually show and hide sections in Wolf 2 to create a more interactive website. We'll start by dragging a carousel onto our canvas. To make sure it doesn't clutter the page immediately, we'll head over to the settings and set the initial launch state to hidden. Next, we need a way to reference this specific section. In the section ID field, give it a unique name. We'll use carousel section. Don't forget to hit apply to save those changes. Now, let's create the controls. We'll add a new layout section and drag in 2 buttons. We'll label the first one, Show Carousel, and the second one, Hide Carousel. These will act as our triggers. To make the Show button work, right-click it and select Hyperlink. Instead of a web address, look for the on-click, Show section field. Type in our ID, Carousel section, and click Save. We'll do the exact same thing for the Hide button. Open the Hyperlink settings, but this time, enter the ID into the on-click Hide section field. Once saved, we can align our buttons to keep the layout clean. Time to test it out. Click on Preview to open your site in a browser. As you can see, the carousel is hidden by default. Click Show to bring it into view, and Hide to tuck it away again. It's that simple.